Yeah, hopefully it won't respond to you.
Alright, we're here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Mankato, and look what we have here.
I got Jason, and there's Doug over there. We're at the Hilton Garden Inn in Mankato, Minnesota, and y'all remember these elevators.
9-story hydros.
9-story hydros, Minnesota elevator.
I'm gonna go look at this real quick. Here it comes.
And here it is. Someone will probably be in it, but that's fine. It went up to 7 to pick up someone. Here it is. No one's in it?
No one's in it?
Oh, all right, let's go. These are like small hospital-sized elevators. Going up to 9, let's listen to the motor. Here we go. Level's really quick for a road hydraulic. All right, send another one, Jason. What do you think about these?
Amazing.
What's your opinion, Doug?
What you should expect from an MEI elevator.
It's very smooth going down. You very, like I said, he works for MEI, so I didn't even feel it start up. It was so smooth. These are definitely great elevators. After all, they'll make the best elevators in the world, right?
That's what I think.
Took 3 seconds to level. This one doesn't even have the reflex on it.
Nope.
So imagine how quick it would level with the reflex. These are impressive.
Very nice.
And with that being said, it will close on.
There it goes.
And
That'll be it.
now go ahead and turn